In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your Draw.io diagram in Confluence or Jira and group objects within it seamlessly. Now, this might be a skill you've been curious about or found necessary for organizing your diagrams more effectively, so let's walk you through this process step by step. First, you want to start by opening your Draw.io diagram within Confluence or Jira. This is where you have your visual elements ready to be organized. Once you've accessed your diagram, the next step is to select the objects you wish to group together. You have a couple of methods at your disposal for selecting these objects, so you can choose what suits you best. If you're aiming to select multiple specific objects, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then, while holding it, click on each object individually that you want to group. This method is particularly useful if your objects are scattered across your diagram but still need to be grouped together. Alternatively, if your objects are positioned closer to each other, you can opt for a click and drag method. To do this, click your mouse button and drag a selection box around the entire group of objects you're targeting. Doing this selects everything within that box, simplifying the process, especially when dealing with numerous elements close to each other. With your objects now selected, it's time to group them. Grouping them allows you to move or resize them collectively, just as if they were a single object. To accomplish this, right-click on any one of the selected objects. When the context menu appears, look for and choose the Group option. This is one way to group your objects quickly. If you're more comfortable using keyboard shortcuts, there's a faster way. Simply press Ctrl+G if you're on a PC or CMD+G if you're on a Mac. This command is a shortcut for group, speeding up the process even more if it's embedded into your workflow. For a more structured approach, you can also use the application's menus. Navigate up to the top of your screen to the Arrange menu. Once there, find and select the Group option from the drop-down list. This menu-based method might be preferred if you like to visually confirm each step through on-screen menus. Whichever method you choose, once you've grouped your objects, they will behave as a single unit. You'll now be able to move them or resize them all together, enhancing your diagram's organization and, ultimately, its overall comprehensibility. And there you have it. You've efficiently grouped your selected objects, making your work in Draw.io within Confluence or Jira much clearer and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.